Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you December 2020 monthly forecast. All the predictions are based on moon sign, but you can use this prediction according to your Lagna Rashi as well. If you know your ascendant, your rising sign, then you can use this prediction according to your Lagna, according to your rising sign, as well as your moon sign. You can follow this according to that. Choice is yours. The base is Indian Vedic astrology for all of you. December 2020 monthly forecast for all of you. Taurus for the month of December. Taurus. Transit of Mercury for Taurus in 7th house. 28th November till 17th December. When the Mercury transiting in 7th house Taurus, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mercury in 7th house from your moon sign. The transit of Mercury in 7th house from your moon sign, this time period when the Mercury transit 7th house from your moon sign, this bring in some trying time for you both mentally and physically. This period indicate illness. You may have to experience physical pain and bodily weakness during this phase of time. Mentally you feel become restless, anguished when the Mercury transit in 7th house from your moon sign. A rise in mental perplexity and misunderstanding with your own people, with family members, friends, colleagues, superiors, as also indicated this time period. You may have to be extra careful to avoid any arguments and communication gap while dealing with your spouse, with your life partner or business partner, and also your colleagues, especially if you are working on a joint venture. Taking care to avoid any kind of situation where you may have to face humiliation. Be extra careful when you transit of Mercury in 7th house from your moon sign. Make sure there should not be communication gap between you and the people around you. Refrain from any kind of communication gap. You could feel more hassled as you're likely to face hurdles in your undertaking. Travel plan, if any, may not bring any kind of expected results. Could be troublesome, especially if you're business traveling. If you're doing, sometime expected achievements will not be there if you're traveling for business, especially this particular period when the Mercury transit in 7th house from your moon sign. Transit of Venus in 7th house, 11th December till 4th of January. When the Venus is transiting in 7th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Venus in 7th house from your moon sign. When the Venus is transiting 7th house from your moon sign, this most indicate troublesome period caused by companions. Stay away from litigation involving companion, and people will try to harm you, destroy your reputation if you're not very careful. Try to maintain good relationship with people around you, with your partner, with your companion. This particular phase when the Venus is transiting 7th house from your moon sign, this phase also indicating ill health. And look after your life partner, look after your romantic partner. And your life partner, romantic partner go through few health problem, lot of mental unrest. Financially is not good period for you. It would be better to stay away from dealing with, may I say, your companion. Avoid any kind of financial losses. You have to realize you have some wicked friends who try to harm you, backstab you. Involvement with unnecessary people can create a lot of grief during this phase of time. Chances that you may create a lot of new enemies during this phase of time. Some sort of a conflict related to companion. This period also sees you suffer from a lot of mental agitation, distress and anger. Taking care of your health, you're likely to suffer from health issues and sort of health issue linked with male or female health issues and urinary problem and some sort of a male or female health issue. Professionally could not be regarded as conducive period when the Venus is transiting 7th house from your moon sign. Avoid wicked people, wrong people, foul company. They'll create they will try to expose you, try to blackmail you, and that's a major progression, major issue in regarding your progression, major obstacle in your progression. And this time period you have to be extra careful and refrain from foul company, please. Transit of Sun in 8th house, 15th December till 14th of January. When the Sun is transiting in 8th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Sun in 8th house from your moon sign. When the Sun is transiting 8th house from your moon sign, this creating a loss and suffering in general. Be extra careful to avoid any unnecessary expenses. Avoid making important decisions during this particular time when the sun is transiting in 8th house. official decision, the answer is no. No financial decision, no official decision, no nothing, anything to do with court or legal decision, the answer is no. When the sun is transiting in the 8th house, don't go to court, don't go to important dates, avoid taking any important decision during when the sun is transiting in 8th house, the answer is no. Support from your own people, support from the family member, even your own best friends, even your partner may seem absent to you. People will not support you when the sun is transiting in 8th house. There could be a change in your work you do, possibility forcing you to let you go to your current position, change of job or profession. There could be a lot of traveling which will not bring any result for you, only stress. Consciously avoid getting involved in any kind of argument with your own people, with enemies, with your partner. It's likely to be totally fruitless exercise. Taking care of your health, you become physically health issues regarding stomach disorders, blood pressure, piles, eye infection, discomfort. You may develop needless fear, anxiety, and loss of honor, meaningless anxiety, restlessness during this phase of time. It's wise to avoid activities that involve a kind of risk to your life, thus to your family. A relative issue may come up unexpectedly, causing some worries, tension for you. Transit of Mercury in 8th house, 17 December till 5th of January. The Mercury transiting in 8th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mercury in 8th house from your moon sign. When the Mercury transit in the 8th house from your moon sign, during this phase of time when the Mercury transit 8th house from your moon sign, this mostly signifies wealth, success, prosperity. It indicates success in all your undertaking and projects. When the Mercury transit in 8th house, this phase of time you may expect a financial stability and financial gain, and your financial ventures, your business, your ideas will be materialized and you'll be successful. Socially, you would see a rise in your status, prestige and honor. People would respect you more and appreciate your knowledgeability and skill set, and your popularity would be rising when the Mercury transiting in the 8th house from your moon sign. This particular period also let you acquire a comfortable lifestyle. You also likely to gain happiness from your family. You also likely to receive happiness with the new member of the family. Your family life will remain happy, content with the phase of time. This particular period see a more alert, clever of you. You will be able to use your intuition and intellect to make right decisions. Your enemies are likely to be defeated and will be mellowed down by your aura. Moreover, you also expect help from people around you, and the health would require your attention. You are also susceptible to fall sick. And this particular time period, you have to be extra careful. Taking care of your food intake and keep your spirit high to keep gloominess and unnecessary fear at bay. Transit of Mercury in 8th house can be like tricky sometimes, so be careful. Transit of Mars in 12th house, 24th of December till 22nd of February. The Mars transiting in 12th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mars in 12th house. Transit of Mars in 12th house from your moon sign. This time period, may I say that this signifies bodily pain, general health suffering. This will prove to be taxing you if your care is not taken in time. Pay attention to your health related issues. You also like to develop letharginess, discomfort, or may I say health issues related to eyesight or stomach. Taking care of your feet as well. This is a time period when you must taking care of yourself from your activity that might be risky to your life. Some of you even suffer from nightmarish kind of dreams or dream disorders. The Mars is transiting 12th house from your moon sign. Your working life could also be sternness and may also have to put a lot of hard work in to see your face of success in your projects. If measures are not taken, some of you may even having a risk to losing position at workplace and can be thoroughly humiliated and dishonored. Taking care of your finances, especially when the Mars is transiting in 12th house, avoid any kind of unnecessary expenditure at home. Maintain coordination with people around you, family members, your superiors, your colleagues. Avoid any kind of arguments with them. Stay away from further conflict with your enemies. Be cautious enough not to create some new one. When the Mars is transiting in 12th house, this period also bringing some opportunities for you to travel abroad. And some of you may not get the desired result from traveling, may end up spending a lot of money and wandering around aimlessly and achieving almost nothing. With the help of toss precaution chanting, you must sort out your moon. You must sort out your moon. Very, very important. peace of mind, happiness, feeling good factor, communication with the world. Your sun, very, very important. You must sort out your sun. Professional status, support from higher authorities, decision maker. Your Mercury, flow of income, wealth, assets and savings, recognition and appreciation for your professional skill. Rahu and Ketu, your status, your prestige, your honor, your relationship, personal and professional. So Moon, Sun, Mercury, Rahu, Ketu, you must sort out these 4 or 5. Moon, Sun, Mercury, Rahu, Ketu, you must sort out this 4 plus 1, 5, yes. And Rahu, Ketu, 2 in 1. Moon, Sun, Mercury, of course they are 3. With the prevention of any kind of professional losses, financial losses, bad debts, flow of income issues, professional backing issues, relationship issues, family happiness, peace of mind, career, health, happiness, well-being. With the help of task precaution chanting, you got to sort out your planet for your best. For that, you must go on the website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the monthly horoscope report and achieve the best, do the best, and be aware about, discover your future, what is happening in the next 1 month. And what is there regarding guidelines, awareness, implement it and achieve the best. Thanks for watching this monthly video. Would you like to know more about what this coming month is going to bring for you regarding your job, business, profession, career, financial backing? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming month regarding your romantic life, love life? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming month? Would you like to have some guidance regarding your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies and how you can resolve your problems, complications, hassles, obstacles, waste of time, delays in this coming month? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough moon sign monthly horoscope report on the video as well as written. And do visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. I want your best in this coming month. I want you to achieve the best in this coming month.